Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever time, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. You are always appreciated and valued here.
You know you got it in you to bees. I'm gonna put you on camera too.
No? Yep. Hi.
There's no one in here.
There's been a lot of amazing couples throughout history. I mean, look at Lucy and Ricky, Michelle and Barack, Jackie and Robert, and now these two. You know what? Let me not insult the rest of those couples, but you get what I'm saying. They're perfectly matched, made in hell for each other.
Here it is. Hello, VIBs. You're first. How are you?
You know, I'm not into mukbangs or anything, but I'll be damned if I'm gonna watch you eat soup. I mean, shit.
How are you? Oh my god. Dandy, yes. Stacey. Weed baby. Cheesy bread, Ricky. Thank you, Ricky, for thumbsing up. Okay, Jihan, yeah. Looks like a meal. Jamie, hello. I'm having homemade chicken noodle soup.
Don't say noodles.
He would love this. Hi, Tribe Called Creek, Nietzsche. You're good? That's good, VIBs. There looks delicious. It's homemade chicken broth. This carcass of chicken. That sounds chicken body's been boiling all day. And has carrots and chicken and potatoes. Is it navy beans? No. Fava beans. Have you guys ever seen fava beans? Look at that. They're big.
The one I use for falafel.
Hi, Sandra. Grilled cheese.
These two individuals right here have to be the most manipulative couple on the internet. I mean, if you looked up gaslighting in the dictionary, you'd see their picture.
You email me, Jamie? Okay, I'll check it out. I am going to try to catch up on my emails.
The thing that annoys me the most is like, what do you do all day? I mean, like, what? Oh, yeah, you walk for like 5 hours and occasionally cook. Like, what the fuck? Like, what else are you doing? Nothing. But making up all this bullshit between you and Nadar. Like,
I know I say that all the time. Like, for real. Agathon. This is homemade soup. Homemade broth. It's chicken noodle soup. And it has fava beans in it. Extra texture, extra fiber, protein. And they're really good for you. I brought the shamola up since I ate it all.
Yeah.
Where is everybody?
I'm hoping that they're finally sick of your bullshit, but like, I'm not really sure if miracles occur that often.
Is someone more interesting live right now?
She has some nerve. I mean, honestly, sis, that wall behind you is more interesting. That lamp has more personality.
Everyone's wore out from Nadar's live earlier.
What?
Worn out. I said, why isn't there more people here? Because there's... You just went live now. Yes, Macbeth, I've had sweet bread. I don't like sweet rolls, though. Sweet bread? Like brioche. I don't like when it's too sweet.
I don't like it too. Even the one with cinnamon or raisin, I don't like it.
Oh no? Oh, see, I do like that. That's weird. No, but I know you don't like sweet and salty stuff, really.
No.
No. What were you guys doing between Nadar's live and now? Eating? No.
Ooh, let me answer it. Absolutely fucking nothing. I believe the eating part and trying to come up with their next storyline of bullshit. You're welcome.
Missy Moo, how you doing?
Yeah. Georgia Bain. It's way better. Thanks, Georgia. Dee Dee, hi.
Dee.
This is chicken noodle soup homemade.
Dee, I'm going to send you the recipe. Ask me.
Yeah. It's really, really, really good. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, it's just so hard for me to trust your taste. I mean, look around the room.
I have not found a gym yet. No.
Why are y'all trolling her like this? You know damn well she ain't looking for no fucking gym. Stop it.
Really, Macbeth? I like swimming, but I don't like public pools.
So let me get this straight. Sis, you don't like public pools, but you like community dick. Okay. Okay.
Maybe someday I can have my own pool.
And maybe one day you can have your own dick.
Actually, I ate a lot of really healthy things today. The juice, the pomegranate, grapes, chicken stock is one of the healthiest things.
Burger King.
Burger King!
You know what? Thank you so much, Nadar. I so appreciate you calling her out on this bullshit. I wasn't buying it any fucking way, but thank you. Thank you, sir. You know what? Maybe we could be friends. No, you know what? You're a dangerous individual to be around, but allegedly.
Being sarcastic?
Oh, this was before you sleep, right?
Before I slept.
Yeah.
The Burger King was my other life.
Yeah, yesterday. When you sleep is a new day.
Nader, what's...
You know what's crazy? This shit is so boring. Like, we're literally sitting here watching a woman in bed with a guy staring at a screen talking about absolutely nothing. Face just gives me shit vibes. Like, okay.
Okay, guys, I gotta go. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Have a good night.